I'm David, and my wife Gill and I have been together for 14 years. We both grew up in Gill. We met in school as teenagers. Being so close for so long teaches you a lot about good communication and teamwork. We like to think that it's helped us with parenting and fostering. We have one daughter of our own, Abby. She's 12 now, and she was part of the reason that we looked into fostering. She had a friend who was fostered and told us all about it. About 4 years ago, we all sat down together and talked about fostering. I was keen to find a way to do something more for the community. I'd done quite a bit of volunteering and fundraising already. I'd helped out driving the minibus, getting disabled kids to the swimming pool, but I wanted to do more. I couldn't get out of my head the idea of helping children in some way. So when Abby told us about her friend, we talked it through and it felt right for us. We thought, being parents, we have so much experience, so surely it can't be that hard. But in all honesty, no amount of experience could prepare us for fostering. I can't say enough how important it is to have a good support network around you when you're on this journey. The local authority fostering team have been brilliant. Our social worker is always around to help and give us advice, and there's plenty of training for us to do. We've also made friends with other foster carers too. It's a real community, and it's probably one of the things I love most about fostering. We've been fostering a brother and sister for 3 years now. They're great kids. They've given us so much love and good memories that will stay with us for life. We hope they feel the same. The most important thing you can give these children is your time. Yes, you can feed them, wash them, give them nice clothes, lovely bedrooms, and loads of toys, but you have to do more than that. You have to get down on the floor and play with them. They just want your time. They need love, warmth and laughter. They need to know that they're worth it.